Yes, 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 it worked. So I'm trying this water separator here. It's this from let's see, Parker, and it's a S3240. Whoop. Anyway, so there's this water separator here, and you say, what in the world? Why do you need a water separator in your car? For your fuel separator, water separator. The reason is, some of you guys know that I pick up junk cars. So the reason is, when we take these cars to the yard, they have to remove the fuel off of it. And because they remove the fuel, we can reuse the fuel, even though it's not a nice and clean fuel. As you can see here, it's not as clean as we like. So, and it's a very simple concept. You put a line in, put a line out with a couple of pressure fittings there. And let me show you guys what I'm talking about. But if you guys are not subscribed yet, how do I sound? Subscribe, comment, do all those beautiful things, you know? Because pretty soon I'm going to start making those funny faces. What's up? I guess we got to entertain you guys while you guys want to know about 2 seconds of a product. We need to entertain you guys for 10 minutes. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, and we're going to change this together. So let's go. All right, so this is a 98. Let me back up over here. This is a 98 Chevy Cheyenne 3500 HD with a 454. You guys are like, show me the motor. I want to see if it's a 454. Okay. Wait no longer. All right. There's a 454 for you guys. But anyways, yeah, little faded on the painting. All right, so this is the unit here. The install was pretty easy. We just make 2 holes there, and then you attach this to anywhere. You could put it in your frame, but I put it up here because I want to see like how my fuel looks. If it's dirty, if it has water, anything, it's pretty easy. I can get a real can. This is not advertising anyways, guys. I got a little a can or something. I put it under there. I open the spigot, and then I'll be able to clean it out or do anything. Anyways, I've been using this system here for about, like, I want to say a month and a half, and it's been great. But this is just like a way of me cleaning the fuel more, rather than my regular fuel filter. And once in a while I'll come over here and I'll change it. And once in a about every week or so, I put like good gas in here, because I just don't want to run in bad gas. And it's been great, guys. It's been awesome. You know, this thing pulls just like supposed to pull. But yeah, let's change this. What we're gonna use today is whatever that's called. All right, this is called oil filter remover. Whoop, whoop. See what I'm saying? Oh man, these YouTube things. So anyways, let's remove this, and let's see how can we do it. All right, so usually, quick tip here, if you don't know which way something is going, right, let's see if I can open this with one hand. What you do is you check the thread, right? You go in here, and you twist the bottle, and then you check which way the thread is going. And it looks like this one tightens this way. See it? Let me put it closer. See that one tightens right there? Tightens this way. So like that. So the way that we're going to remove it, we're going to put the device there, or the oil filter removal thing, and just go twist that way. It's a tip, because you want to see You do that with your oil filter, you do that with pretty much anything if you are going to install it, just because you just don't remember, right? Because sometimes your filter could bend this way or this way, you know, sometimes it messes you up. So let's see what we're gonna do. See if it comes out. Right here, grab that, nice and easy. Hopefully it doesn't break on camera. Alright. Come on, baby. See, here comes the weird YouTube songs. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Wow. I think it's almost there that I can remove. And you gotta remove the little cup too. You see how I did that? You don't want to do that when you're putting the yellow one back on. It's gonna be nice and gentle. There's still pressure on my line. So, because there's still pressure on my line, I emptied the cup. And I thought there was a... Oh, actually I didn't empty my cup. Alright, let me see. Let me empty the cup while you guys are here. See what happens when you talk? You're like, dude, you crazy, man. You are crazy. You're not dealing with fuel on your phone. You're going to blow up. Yeah, I'm okay. I'll be alright. I'll be okay. And if I do blow up, you guys don't have to listen to me anymore, right? But Tiago, we love you. Oh man, love me. All right, let's do this. Oh, look at all that dirt. That's it, nice and easy. There you go. So now we're going to find a way to remove the cup, which is a pain in the butt too. Let's throw the rest of the gas in here. So I need to remove this now. So let's see if I can put this somewhere, and I can remove it with you guys looking at me. Always look at the thread, so it's going this way. So now we're gonna turn that this way. Right. Always you need to turn this. There you go, nice and easy. See it? You remove it, and make sure that you change your gasket. Right, put a new gasket. Supposed to put a little lube here, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get a little lubed up, looby love. Oh, let me show you guys. You know how dirty that is? Look at that. Whoop. Now let's see. See that noise that I'm talking about, man? You guys gotta keep me in check. I can't do that noise. Look at how clean that is. See it? So I know this is working for sure. And lube it up a little. Make sure it's nice. Okay. Lube this. This the new one? Yeah. This is the one that goes on top. Right here. And then I already put the one for the bottom. You do the same thing, you grab a little bit, Ooh, and then you just put it here. It helps with the, you know, with you installing it and stuff. Pretty much it. Twist it. Ooh, look at those muscles. Dun, 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 dun. Oh man. Why? Alright, I think this is tight enough. Get a little lube glove. I'm gonna put this thing in. Alright, twist it in. Twist it in. And for you not to mess it up like that, we are going to put a glove around it. This way it's a glove, you can use a cloth to do whatever you want. It's nice and easy. Twisted it. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to put you guys back and you guys are going to see the fill up. Hopefully you guys don't get gas all over your face. Alright. Let's do this. Tighten this baby up. Yes, 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 it worked. Woo. She's on, yo, she's on, she's on. It worked. All right, let me shut it off. Okay, pull this. All right, okay, cool. So, yeah, this is the video of just changing this filter and also giving you a, man, this thing is dirty. Very dirty. Very, very dirty. Alright, so yeah. If you guys haven't been subscribed yet, subscribe. I'm sorry guys, my phone broke. That's why I didn't put videos out. And usually I do with my phone because, you know, I have a other camera too. The one that usually you guys see me in the studio. That's not a studio. It's just actually my wife's spa room. Oh man. Anyways, I'll let you guys go. It's already been a long video. It is a great thing if you are, this is what you're doing. This is a great little filter system because as you guys can see, like I can see the color. Not just that, I can see if there's any debris or anything inside the fuel. And then, you know, and I always go over there and I open the spigot and just let it come out, and sometimes just dirt, you know, that's in there starts coming out, and it's not a bad system. So I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being here with me. If you made so far, thank you. I'll be putting more videos up. My phone is back. I want to say again, my phone is back. So this is 10 microns. Is that what it is? Yeah, 10 microns. All right. So yeah, thanks guys. Subscribe, do all that nice things, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.